Hey everyone, today I will show you how to convert image to PDF on Android. And here's how it's done. Start by downloading the Google Docs app to your phone from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Google Docs, and it should be the first result with a blue icon. If it is not already installed, tap the Install button. After installation, open the app. If you are not signed in, log in using your Gmail account to get started. In the app, look for the plus icon at the bottom right and tap it. Select New Document to create a new file. Once the document opens, tap the small plus icon again and choose Image. Locate the image you want to convert and insert it into the document. After adding the image, tap the checkmark to save your work. Next, go to the top right corner, tap the three dots and select Share and Export, followed by Save As. Choose PDF document and confirm your selection. Finally, to download the PDF to your phone, tap the download icon. Once the download is complete, you will see a download successful message. And that's everything you need to know about how to convert image to PDF on Android. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.